Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. For this video I want to talk about intercoolers and how they affect the drivability of the Mark 7 GTIs. Now if you're new to the channel, you can follow me jules.mk7 and I'll be posting a lot more about this vehicle, build updates, and just all the fun stuff. Now getting right into the video, on this vehicle I have what's called a stage 2 setup. That's what most people refer to as, but basically I can go ahead and break it down for you if it's your first time joining us today. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Stock. No, just kidding. In here we've got a modified air box. It's a drop-in filter. Back here we have a CTS turbo downpipe, and if we look up front, we've got the CTS turbo front mount intercooler. Now I really love this thing. I love how it sits behind the grille. It's very low-key. To the untrained eye, you wouldn't think much of it, but if you're the car enthusiast like myself, it is definitely something you would see protruding right behind the grille there. If we get a little bit closer, we've got the CTS logo right there, sort of engraved into the metal. We've got some bigger hoses, bigger diameter hoses, and attached to the front mount intercooler, just making everything a lot more efficient and making sure that it is in fact cooling down your car. Now I've seen a lot of videos of people installing front mount intercoolers, people talking about it, but I've never seen actually first-hand footage of a front mount intercooler driving the vehicle, just to see how the intake air temperatures respond under regular driving, wide open throttle, or just spirited driving, everything overall, if you're at a red light, etc, etc. So in this video I want to touch up on that just to show you guys what kind of difference you would expect if you added a front mount intercooler upgrade on your turbocharged car. So without further ado guys, let's go ahead and get right into that. I love this car, by the way, and I do love that front mount that's on there. Definitely gives front end a stealthy but I want to say aggressive look. I don't know how to describe it, but let's get into that. All right, so here we are, 57 degrees outside, and we've been driving just for a few minutes now, and we can see the lowest we've had our IATs is going to be 63 degrees, and the car's currently at 88, which is the highest temperature it has been throughout the course of this drive. Now we're at the red light, stationary, so there's obviously no airflow. We're heading up to 90 now. So you can see that it fluctuates pretty quickly or often. That's one of the main things you'll notice. So obviously the temperatures will rise fast. Let's see what happens when we take off. And it just dropped 4 degrees just like that. Just dropped 11 degrees, 12 degrees. And again, this is no heavy throttle, just normal driving. You can see that the temperature will fluctuate a lot, even under normal driving. Once you get some airflow in there, the front mount will definitely drop the IATs relatively quick. Same thing again, we're coming to a halt. Temperatures will go up a lot quicker. And it just drops back down. And we've got a detour up ahead, guys. I wonder where it'll take us.
International man, that whole squad is the icon.
Keep my eyes on the IAT, guys. A little bit heavier throttle this time. See how that dropped under 70 degrees? Again, we're at 58 ambient outside. This is slide throttle. The car already starts pulling way harder. We can do that one more time. Let's see. Just a little bit of throttle. 66. See how easy that is to drop that IATs? Definitely proves that the front mount makes a huge difference, a noticeable difference. Stop stock intercooler, if I were to do that acceleration back there, INTs would definitely not drop that low. Now, if you're wondering what would be a good time to upgrade the intercooler, if it should be while still stock, modified, etc., my suggestion is if you're modified or plan on being modified, it's definitely something to look into. Like for me, being what's called a stage 2 setup, in the beginning I didn't have it, and now that I do have it, it makes worlds of a difference. I also see less knock on my engine as well while being tuned. Well, hopefully that video helps you guys out. Again, if you're not following my socials, feel free to do so. It's going to be jules.mk7. I'll be posting some cool pictures on there of the Mark 7 GTI. So stay on the lookout for that if you want to see some cool stuff and build updates and whatnot. And also keep you guys in the loop of everything with this vehicle. Again, I don't want to push the car too hard because it is still being tuned. But once it's ready, I'll definitely post up some more updates and better wide up the throttles and all that good stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and hope to see you on the next one. Peace. Gonna get some breakfast now.
Happy tips slanted when I got the advantage. Right now, little kids in the crowds like wow. It's the action.